What technologies have your developers used in your in-house and client-based projects?
On the developing part of the configuration management database, we use PHP, the Laravel framework, which was actually suggested by one of the virtual employees. We also use Python, AngularJS, and some JavaScript for the UI. And behind the scenes, there's PostgreSQL database and Ansible automation suite, which is a set of tools that helps automating server staging, virtual machine environment staging, package deployment, those kind of things.
Okay. And you also mentioned about the second guy who's working on Python technology. So what technologies?
He used Django most of the time, but also some scripts to interact with the database itself and the configuration management tools. So they're Django for the web part and JavaScript also a bit.
Can you give us a brief overview of the work your team does?
Yes, my team primarily works on our customer portal projects, our configuration management database, which is a central tool to our system administrator. That is the repository of all our configuration, customer definition of services and these kind of things. And the system administrator also works with the two other guys to plug together our configuration management database with the automation of the system. So this is kind of a whole chain, starting from the configuration all the way down to virtual service instantiation, for example.
The team also involved in some kind of R&D as well. Could you tell us more about it, and how have the results been?
Well, they definitely are, because we often come to them with problems, and so they will be involved in selecting technologies, selecting frameworks, and suggest solutions. The example of the PDF conversion and signature is a good example, because it's the virtual employee guy who actually suggested that we go that way. We use an image, we use image merging, and then we convert it to PDF. And he came up with the whole solution in PHP with the right framework and suggested the right libraries. So basically they're involved in that, definitely, and it turns out good.
Olivier, what are your future plans with Virtual Employee?
We're now looking into a fourth employee, Java-based. So any meaningful addition to our team regarding the projects, we're now taking the requirements up with you. And yeah, there's a fourth employee obviously coming. I believe it's going to grow over time again.